Kuri no hotekeku wa motungata ma urigitani gutharara thiini wa kaunti ciothe 47 kiambiriria-ini kia mweri ukite wa gatatu kungikinya thirikari ndigukorwo igithikiriria mateta ma arigitani. Kuringana na maabitha a kiama kia arigitani gia KMPDU, ona thengia wao gukorwo magikaira thirikari ikorwo ikiheana marua kuri arigitani aria makoretwo makiruta wira thibitari-ini cia muingi matekwamukira mishara, thirikari ndikoretwo ikiyukia ndeto iyo no ritu o wothe.
We have 1,215 medical interns who have not been posted. Some have stayed for 1 year. Some have stayed for 6 months, and all of them have been wallowing with desperations at home. Yet we know the shortage of health workers, the shortage of doctors in the hospitals.
Kumana na ndeto ino, atongoria kiama-ini giki marutite mukana wa kurugamia mihango ya urigitani thibitari-ini ciothe cia muingi kungikinya thirikari ndigukorwo iheanite marua ma wira kuri arigitani acio ugikinyiria tariki 29 mweri-ini uyu.
In reality we are illegal doctors. We can't practice, hatuwezi dunga sindano, na sisi kitu tunajua ni kutibu watu.
This shows that the government is not committed to delivering the universal health care that they preach every day. The human resource component is crucial component of actually ensuring the care and the services are provided.
Arigitania ya ona gukiri uguo ni matariirie mamwe ma mathina maria makoretwo makigerera kumana na wagi wa marua ma kuruta wira o undu umwe na wagi wa mishara ona thengia wa gukorwo ni mararuta wira.
Nimekuwa nikitafuta vibarua hapa na pale, kuuza ice pop nyumbani, kujaribu ku-apply kazi online, but tunaona ku-apply kazi na tunajua tukufanya ni kuwa daktari ni inakuwa ngumu sana.
Kwenye tumefika ni kama hali ya mshike na ni hali ya kutatiza kwamba tunaambiwa hakuna pesa, mara Ministry of Health inajitetea kwamba hawezi kutusaidia kwenye wamefika.
Gukiri uguo mwandiki munene kiama-ini giki Dagitari Davziatera oritie thirikari gutia ciiraniro iria meranire cigie wandikani wa arigitani, undu uria ugite no guteithiriria kunyihia muhatikano wa arwaru uria ukoretwo mathibitari-ini kumana no nyihu wa namba ya arigitani.
Tunaweza sema we have potential, lakini hatuna nafasi ya kusaidia ama kutimiza kwa Wakenya.
The government seems to have adopted the policy of train and dump. They dump you as interns once you have graduated. They dump you after doing the internship without employment, and they dump you and frustrate you even when you're in school.
Handu-ini ha KMPDU, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.